Hello everybody. Today I want to go over some very important tools to know how to use in Zoom. Knowing these tools will help you a lot during your Zoom sessions. The first thing we should do is open up the Zoom app and log into our session. Make sure you type up the correct meeting ID and password. Once you're in the session, the first thing you're going to notice is that there's a lot of buttons here all over the screen. Let's go through them one at a time. The first tool we'll go over is the mic tool. If you see the word mute underneath the icon for the mic tool and there is no red slash across it, that means that the people in the meeting can hear what you're saying. If you read the word unmute underneath the mic icon and there's a red slash across it, that means that you are muted and people cannot hear what you're saying in the Zoom meeting. To switch between being muted and unmuted, all you have to do is tap on the mic icon. The next tool we'll look at is the camera tool. The camera tool allows people to see our face and things that are happening around us. It is located right next to the mic icon. If you see a slash across it, that means your camera is off and people cannot see you or the things around you. If there is no red slash, that means your camera is on and everybody in the meeting can see you and everything around you. Always make sure you are somewhere appropriate before turning on your camera, such as your desk or maybe the kitchen table. The next tool we'll look at is the participants tool. This tool looks like a silhouette of two people standing side by side. When we tap on it, a pop-up appears that shows us all of the people in the meeting. It also has some very important tools towards the bottom. The most important of these tools is the raise hand tool. It looks like a blue hand. We can use this tool to signal to our teacher that we have a question or would like to share something. When we press on it, a blue hand appears next to our name in the participants section. After we've been helped, we should press on the raise hand tool one more time to lower the hand. Next, we'll take a look at the chat tool. We can find the chat tool by tapping on the More button, which is right next to the Participants button. When we tap on More, we get a small pop-up. In here, we can see the option for Chat. Tapping on Chat brings up a larger pop-up. We can use the chat to communicate with our classmates and our teacher. We can use this to answer questions or to participate in a discussion. At the beginning of your Zoom session, the teacher will ask you to type up your name and room number in the chat. To type up a message, tap on the text box at the bottom of the pop-up. This will bring up the keyboard. Once you're done typing in your message, press the blue Send button. Sometimes the teacher may send a message for everybody to read, or they may send you a link for that day's activities. If you see that the teacher has sent a message that has blue text, this is a link to another website. Tap on this link to open up Safari and access the website. Great job! Now you're ready for your Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching and have a great day.